want to take you on a sketch of how to install 1 kVA inverter with two 300 watts panel for one battery. So you're going to be needing your panel. You use your charge controller, you use your battery, your inverter. It is very easy, but we are going to be using a series connection. So first of all, these are your panels. You connect your negative terminal of the first panel to this positive terminal of the second panel. Then for each end, you'll be having a positive plug and a negative